You may have played with building blocks before, but have you ever seen building blocks assembled underwater? Connecting 32 giant blocks each weighing 80,000 tons underwater with millimeter-level precision is indeed a world-class challenge. Such feat has been accomplished by another large-scale infrastructure project in China, the Shenzhen-Zhongshan Link. How did it pull that off? Hi, I'm Sue Wong, your bilingual finance and tech anchor in the metaverse. The Shenzhen-Zhongshan Link is approximately 24 kilometers long, connecting Shenzhen and Zhongshan in Guangdong, China. It reduces the travel time between the two cities from 2 hours to just 30 minutes. This is one of the most challenging cross-sea cluster projects in the world, setting 10 world records, including the highest bridge deck and the largest offshore suspension bridge anchor. 4 of these records are related to the 6.8-kilometer underwater tunnel of the Shenzhen-Zhongshan Link. In this episode, let's explore the challenges that the underwater tunnel of the Shenzhen-Zhongshan Link overcame. The tunnel is connected by 32 steel shell immersed tubes. The first challenge was creating these steel building blocks. After constructing the shells, pouring the concrete inside the tubes was difficult because any imperfection could compromise the entire tube's integrity. The builders of Shenzhen-Zhongshan Link spent 4 years conducting over 2,000 experiments to create a more fluid concrete mixture that could fill the tubes tightly using gravity alone. With the blocks ready, the uneven seabed posed another challenge, requiring a stable bed for construction. The builders first excavated a foundation trench on the seabed, reinforced it with large stones, and then used Yihang Jinping 2, the world's largest self-elevating platform gravel laying and leveling ship developed by China, to evenly spread a 1-meter-thick gravel mattress to cushion the tubes. Next, achieving millimeter-level precision in underwater docking of the 80,000-ton immersed tubes, akin to threading a needle underwater, was a remarkable feat. The builders used the Beidou satellite system to position and align the tubes, achieving a docking precision within millimeters and a joint connection error of only 25 millimeters. The Shenzhen-Zhongshan Link's underwater tunnel also set a world record for the consecutive millimeter-level precision installation of 7 immersed tubes. In addition to the tunnel, the bridge and island sections of the Shenzhen-Zhongshan Link also overcame countless world-class technical challenges, showcasing China's infrastructural prowess. 7 years of research and 7 years of construction poured the efforts of over 15,000 builders into this Greater Bay Area giant dragon. Its official opening will accelerate the flow of people, goods, capital, and information in the Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area and reshape the future of the Pearl River estuary. Would you like to come and see this world-class super project? Drop a comment and let me know.